Hi guys, this is Dennis from Spotahome. Today we're here in Valencia visiting this apartment. As you will see, it's a really, this is a really nice apartment situated in the city center of Valencia. So that's really nice. Also, we got all of the parts of the apartment all together. So all of the space is pretty wide open. It's really nice too because we got an AC unit. So that's keeping the house heated or really cold in the summer. So that's pretty nice. And also the neighborhood is really calm and really chill, so let's check it out. Alright guys, so we're gonna start the visit of the apartment from the entrance. As you can see, we're gonna check it out over here. As we said previously, everything in the space is wide open, so we got everything all together. Alright, so as we see, the first thing we see right in the entrance, we got the kitchen to the left hand side. So we can check it over here. So we see everything's pretty new, pretty nice. It's also really nicely decorated. We got our dishwasher, we got our microwave, we got our sink over here. Okay, so as we can see, it is fully equipped. We got a lot of space over here to store our food. Okay, these doors over here. So pretty nicely decorated and nicely distributed. Okay, we got over here some more space. And the fridge. Heading over here, go to the left hand side and again to the left hand side, and we head into the bathroom. Okay, so as you can see, we got everything that we need. Right, we got the shower over here, got some lights. We got our sink over here, got some drawers over there. Okay, and we got our mirror over here and a shelf over there. All right. So, as we can see over here, you can check it out. We got the living room and the bedroom over here. So we can see it is a double-sized bed. Everything's really nicely decorated. The ceiling's also really nice. You can check it out. Okay, we got a pretty big window over here, which has these interior patio views. All right. We got, as we said, the living room over here. So we got a table, as we can see. We got this piece of furniture for the television. All right. We got a lot of space also over here to store or to decorate, as we can see. We got two couches over here. Okay, so that's pretty nice. You can check it out also over here. We got a mirror over there. Kitchen, which we just saw. Got the door over there. Got a table and wardrobes over here, all right? So as we can see, there's also plenty of space over here and over here. And we got an AC unit over there, all right? The living room would be this one over here, the dining room, sorry, okay? So we got these four chairs, and we got the table, everything pretty nice. We got also AC unit over there, the heating unit, sorry. We got the shelf over here, okay? And we got this balcony over here. We have these street views. Alright guys, so this has been the visit for today. This has been Dennis from Spotahome. Hope you really enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.